Welcome to Within Reach Astrology. I'm Gable Collings, and I'm excited to announce that my Mindfully Managing Mercury Retrograde Workbook is available for purchase now. Mercury Retrograde often gets blamed for things like faulty electronics, delayed flights, and unfortunate run-ins with an ex. But Mercury Retrograde is not actually what's making these things happen. When Mercury is retrograde, it invites us to slow down and become more aware of our thoughts. So when we continue to move through our days in a hurry and letting our minds take over, these bad things are more likely to happen. And because so many people have negative experiences of Mercury retrograde, I created this workbook. The Mindfully Managing Mercury Retrograde Workbook is designed to guide you through each day of the upcoming Mercury retrograde period, which will be starting on April 20th. The workbook is full of tips and tricks to help you have a more beneficial experience of Mercury retrograde. There are also prompted journaling pages and a list of online resources, which includes a YouTube playlist of yoga practices for a variety of different experience levels that will help you relieve stress and reconnect with yourself. The Mindfully Managing Mercury Retrograde Workbook is perfect for you. If you always dread Mercury retrograde because you always have a negative experience of it, you feel like Mercury retrograde wants to ruin your life, but you're ready to take your power back and stop letting it control you. You don't know much about Mercury retrograde and are curious about what it means for you. Or you're just looking for a journal that will hold you accountable and provide practical advice when it comes to stress relief and mindfulness. The Mindfully Managing Mercury Retrograde Workbook is available now until April 19th. Click the link in the description below to get your copy for $25 and start improving your experience of Mercury retrograde. If you'd like to learn more about Mercury retrograde and other astrological events, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click all notifications so you could be the first person to see every new video that I release. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm wishing you your best Mercury retrograde period yet.